Hey people, welcome to my channel, and on this video I want to teach you how to change uh, this pen if it's broken. So if you can see, my pen have broken. As you can see here, my pen has broken and you need to change it. So how to change it is you need to have this item where you buy the phone. Okay, it's simple, it's very simple. You just look out before it's already here, and you can see it's the new one here. So you can see there is a part, and if it's same like the pen tip. Okay, so you just put here and hook. It's using I'm using in the middle one. So you just put here and boom, put here, and no need to press hard, just press until you feel it's pressing, and hoop. Nah, and then if out a little, if it's out little, you just if it's out little, you just using your hands to pull it out. Okay, now after you pull it out, you need to move it in. So you just click here and you just put it slowly, and there you go. It's like, if it's like this, you just press it. Hoop. There we change tip. So it's very simple. Now it's just like this, and hoop, and using your hands, and if you want to put it out, you just hoop. It's very simple. As you can see, there you go, you have the new one because the old one is broken. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you on our next video. Lots tutorial here from us, and the tutorial is useful for you every day. Thank you.